Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are staying happily at home. Today we are going to do the revision of pre-number concept. Let's start. Our first concept is heavy and light. Heavy means the things which we cannot pick up. Light means the things which you can pick up easily. Can you see this boy? He is trying to drag a sack. Now this sack is very heavy. Yes, and can you see this girl? She is holding a box. So this box is light. Heavy, light. Oh, what is this? We have a weighing machine and we have two fruits, strawberry, watermelon. Now, watermelon is heavy. Can you pick up watermelon easily? No, because watermelon is heavy and strawberry is light. Strawberry is light. So, this weighing scale has gone down because watermelon is very heavy and strawberry is light. Oh, what we can see here? Yes, it is a tree and a leaf. Now children, tell me, can you pick up a tree? No, tree is very heavy. We cannot pick up the tree. And leaf is light. We can hold the leaf in our hand. Yes or no? So, tree is heavy and leaf is light. Very good, children. Children, we have to circle the heavy object. So let us circle the heavy object. Can you see the first picture? What it is? Yes, a ball and a truck. Now tell me, ball is heavy or a truck is heavy? Can you pick up a truck? No, we cannot pick up the truck. So truck is heavy. So we will circle the truck like this. And the ball is light. We can hold it in our hand. Now an almirah and newspaper. Okay, tell me, newspapers are heavy? No, newspapers are light. So, almirah is heavy. We will circle almirah. Now, I don't know that which animal is heavy, elephant or a rat. Yes, elephant is the heaviest animal and rat is light. Very good, children. Heavy means the things which we cannot pick up with our hands and light means which you can pick up with your hands. Now we are going to revise more and less. More means many and less means few. More owls, less owls. Children, what you can see, we have two plates here. Plate A, plate B, and we have two different fruits on it, strawberry and apples. But apples are more and strawberries are less. Children, what you can see here? Yes, we have two jars. Jar 1 and jar 2. Now what is in the jar? Yes, yummy, yummy candies. All of you love candies? Wow. But tell me, which jar is having more candies? Yes, jar 1 is having more candies. It is full. And jar 2 is having less candies. So, more candies, less candies. More candies, less candies. Now we will tick the more objects. Okay, now what you can see, we have bunch of balloons. Now which bunch is more? Yes, this bunch is having more balloons, so we will put a tick like this. Now can you see here, we have two different colors of cup, brown cups, green cups. Now which cups are more? Yes, the brown cups are more. So we will put a tick. So more balloons, less balloons. More cups, less cups. Children, I hope you all have understood the concept of heavy and light and more and less. We will meet again. Till then, thank you.